Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Why should you become my Patreon, you might ask? And that is a very good question, and here is an excellent answer. First of all, if you didn't know that I had this Patreon project or this Patreon program right here, then I have this Patreon program where you can become a member, and I have two tiers. I have the gold tier and I have the diamond tier. And there are some things that you will get when you, of course, when you join my Patreon program. One is, of course, that you support me, so I can explain to my wife why I spend time on creating tech videos. That is the most important thing, of course. But you also get other things. If you are in the Diamond program, then you would also attend a loyalty program where you would get a sticker and a mug and a T-shirt and another thing as well. And then you will also get exclusive content. Some of the exclusive content is for both tiers, and some of the exclusive content is just for the Diamond tier. But I can mention that I have a video for how to come from the Spring Boot to Ktor. There's a very good tutorial video about how to do that in a very easy way. And then there's also another video about how to actually handle multiple IntelliJ editors that are open at the same time, so you easily can distinguish between them and then see which one that it is actually is that you want to edit in right now. So that's another thing. You will get these videos that I will regularly upload. I will upload new ones, of course. So you will get some exclusive content. So that's another thing you'll get. Then you will have free access to my webpage, which is codeinvestigator.com. It's a kind of utility web page where you can in base 64 encode something like this, and you can also convert JSON to XML and to other formats like YAML, for instance. You can also create a Spring Boot banner if you want to with different fonts. You can get some cool Docker images or some cool Docker recipes, and you can also get access to the cheat sheet where you can get cheat sheets for Anaconda Git and right now also kubectl. And I have plans also add the HTTP code. So it's kind of when you are programming, then you could use this page as a kind of a utility, a good toolbox, right? To actually to try out some stuff. Also if you want to test out some basic authentication. If I write Mike right here and my password, then I get this base 64 encoded version of the last part right here, including the basic and the header key right here. So of course you also get that one. On top. Then you get access to polls. You get access to polls about which programming language is the most fun one to use, and about opinions. And you can also, of course, also write me, contact me through the Patreon pages. And you will also get access to posts with tips and tricks. So once in a while, I will also post some tips and tricks. Usually these are accommodated also with some videos. And then another really good reason to actually become my patron is because there is better dress code for the patron videos. You can see I have a hoodie on right now, so I will usually have a nice sweater on instead of just having a T-shirt on the exclusive videos that you can see on my Patreon page. So that's actually it. I just wanted to try to talk you into to support me and to become my patron. Of course, you are also just welcome to continue looking at the YouTube channel videos, and whenever you're stuck, then you can just search in my videos, and then hopefully that will solve your problem. But of course, I also hope that you will consider becoming a patron. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great evening. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.